So hey guys, today I am going to review Meticore, that what is Meticore and how this Meticore supplement works and whether it is really effective or not. So stay connected with me at the end. So if we talk about what is Meticore. So Meticore is a diet pill that jumpstarts the metabolism by increasing body temperature. This promotes weight loss at a faster and more consistent pace. As we get older, our ability to maintain an effective core body temperature decreases. There are many studies that have proven a correlation between metabolism and core body temperature. More often than not, low core body temperature causes the metabolism to slow down and work less efficiently. According to Meticore, both men and women can increase their core body temperature by taking the supplement regularly. Each capsule contains 6 high-quality, effective nutrients that supercharge the metabolism by increasing inner body temperature. If you are struggling to lose weight, this may be just the supplement you are missing from your daily regimen. So in my opinion, fat loss pills or supplements, even Meticore, is not miracle pills. You will not lose weight or burn fat if you continue to eat a high calorie diet or work out very little or not at all in your daily life. While Meticore will awaken a sleeping metabolism, improve digestion, it won't work without being taken in combination with healthy lifestyle choices. I hope you understand the point where I come from. So there are many things that can cause weight gain. One of the most common is having a low core endothermic body temperature, which can cause slow metabolism. Studies show that the lower your core body temperature is, the lower your metabolism will be. This is not only makes it harder to prevent weight gain, but also inhibit the ability to lose weight as well. So now if I talk about how Meticore works, so Meticore works as a morning metabolic trigger. It boosts the metabolic rate and shifts the way the body produces and uses energy. This is all possible due to the fat burning weight loss ingredients that are used in this formula. So now if I talk about Meticore ingredient, so each of the ingredients is used in Meticore is hand selected to provide 3 main benefits. First is to burn fat, second is to lose weight to boost your energy, and the third is to optimize your metabolism. So this means that there are no filler ingredients that don't work to boost weight loss and overall well-being. So Meticore contains total 9 ingredients. So the first is African mango seed. So this ingredient is commonly used as a fat burner and in weight loss studies. Several small studies have shown this ingredient to have lot of weight loss benefits. Then the second ingredient is ginger. So as we know, ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory and has many other medicinal properties. So it has been used for centuries to decrease inflammation, treat nausea, and even improve heart health. Then the third ingredient is Moringa leaf. So this is a very popular superfood ingredient and is well-known energy booster. Moringa oleifera is rich in antioxidant which protect the body against damage caused by free radicals. This ingredient has also been shown to benefit skin and hair health. Then the fourth ingredient is citrus bioflavonoid. And the fifth is fucoxanthin. So fucoxanthin is the compound which believed to target adipose fat tissues, including the stubborn fat that many of us suffer from in the abdominal area. And this ingredient is also full of vitamins and minerals that optimize and improve energy level. Then the sixth ingredient is vitamin B12. Next is chromium. Eighth is Meticore formula blend. And the ninth is turmeric rhizome. So similar to ginger, turmeric is an herb that has been used for a long time due to its medicinal properties. So it's a powerful anti-inflammatory, which means it may be effective in lowering body temperature. So the combination of these ingredients offer all of the benefits that people on a weight loss journey need. So lowered inflammation, increased core body temperature, and an improved ability to burn fat. So all of these plant-based herbal ingredients are encapsulated in a vegetarian capsule. All of these ingredients are packed into a vegetable cellulose capsules, which makes this supplement safe for vegetarians and other lifestyles. So there are no toxic substance, caffeine or dangerous stimulants, so you don't need to worry about this, and it's a 100% natural and safe supplement. So now if I come on to the Meticore official website, here you can see some frequently asked questions. So I take some questions from them so that you don't miss out any important information. So the first question is, Is Meticore safe? Are there any side effects? So I have already told you that Meticore is 100% natural and safe supplement, and there are no side effects at all. What results can I responsibly expect? So when you start Meticore, be prepared for some big changes as your core temperature is addressed and metabolism is boosted. So you can expect stubborn fat to decrease from all over your body. You can expect your skin to glow and feel plump and fresh. Your hair will be get silkier and your joints pain will ease. So now of course the point is everyone is different. Everyone has a slightly different body and chemistry. So it's difficult to say for sure which benefit you might experience first. So yeah, that's the genuine answer. Then the next question is, what if I lose fat too fast? The results that we have highlighted today are incredible if you lose weight too fast. So Meticore would suggest you to taking Meticore every second day rather than every day. And always consult with your doctor. Meticore is an extremely powerful remedy. Then the next question is, can I get it somewhere else online or at GNC? So that's the very important question whose answer is big no. Meticore is only available on the official website of Meticore. It is not available anywhere else, including online or in stores. The one and only place you can get Meticore is on this official website. And if you see this product anywhere else, then don't buy this product from there. Because see, Meticore is the most famous supplement, and that's why fraudsters and scammers copy the Meticore product and sell this product as a Meticore, which would be very dangerous for you. So make sure to buy this product from the Meticore official website, and I also have pasted the official website link in the description box, so you don't need to worry about this. You can easily check it out. The manufacturer offers a few package options along with the bulk discount. So here you can see these three purchase options. First is one bottle 30-day supply, which will cost you $59 per bottle plus shipping charges. Then the second is 3 bottles 90-day supply, which will cost you $49.99 per bottle plus shipping charges. And the third is 6 bottle 180-day supply, which will cost you $39.99 per bottle plus shipping charges. So I recommend you should go with 3 bottles in 90-day supply package, because if you are new to using this supplement, then it's enough supply to test this product whether this supplement will work for you or not. You should at least take this supplement for 90 days regularly, then only you can expect the results. But make sure that you don't stop doing exercise and take a low calorie diet and live a healthy lifestyle, because if you don't follow these 3 things, then none of the supplement will work for you. So I hope you have got full information about this supplement. So I'll catch you in the next review. Until then, chase your dreams. Thank you.